Are you looking for a quick and easy dinner recipe? Now, this is it. You found it. My Mauritian vegetarian fried rice. The first thing we'll be starting off on is the rice. So I have 1 cup of rice and 1.5 cup of water. So for every cup, I'm putting 1.5 cup of water. So you can either cook your rice in a rice cooker or in a pot on your stove. But today I'm using the rice cooker and I'm not letting it cook fully because you don't want mushy rice for your fried rice. So my rice is just going to stay long and thin, and you'll see what I mean here. Now, while the rice is being cooked, let's work on our garlic sauce. So I have about 1 cup of water, a splash of vinegar, about 3 tablespoons of green onions, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix this together and set this aside. So see how the rice is still long and thin? This is exactly how you want it. I'm just placing it on a plate and let it cool. You really want to let this cool because if not, the rice is just going to get very mushy. The best rice to use for fried rice is basmati rice. So today I'm using frozen veggies for this. You can definitely use fresh if you like. I have some corn, carrots, there are some green beans and peas and little soya beans or little beans here. So for this you can add mushrooms if you like. And you know what? The great thing about fried rice is that you can add whatever you like. Once your veggies have been fried a little bit, let's add in the cooled rice. So now just lower your heat and add in some soy sauce. So this one is the light soy sauce. You want about half a tablespoon. About 1 tablespoon of the dark soy sauce. About 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now add in some of that garlic sauce. Now just add in some salt, some pepper, and of course the garlic sauce, and it's ready to eat. So this is it. This is my Mauritian vegetarian fried rice recipe. And if you haven't done so already, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, the like button, and hit that bell notification for my newest videos.